Hi, thanks for joining us. Let's look at solving basic equations. Something not too involved. Something like, say, 3x minus 4 is 17. Now, a lot of the instructors say, well, what do? Well, you add 4. Why? Well, it's just obvious. Well, no, for a lot of us, it's not obvious. So what I tell my students is to think this. Think of undo what they gave you. What did they give us here? Well, they gave us two things. They gave us multiplying between 3 and x, and they gave us subtraction of 4. Well, the multiplication between 3 and x is only involving 3 and x, but the subtraction of 4 affects this whole thing. So which do you think we should undo first? I agree. Let's undo subtracting 4. How do you undo subtracting 4? Well, we use adding to undo subtracting. So if we do it to the left side, we can do it to the right because they are supposed to be equal. So subtracting 4 and adding 4 will undo each other. I still have 3x here, but now on the other side I have 21. And now let's start over again. What did they give you? They gave us multiplication. How do you undo multiplication? We use division. So multiplying by 3 and dividing by 3 will undo each other. It's going to leave us with x. And 21 divided by 3 is 7. Now, whenever you get done with these, stop and ask yourself, does my answer make sense? Well, and it's not about rechecking your whole math. If I'm going to multiply by 3 and subtract 4 from it and get 17, my answer better be smaller than 17. Is my answer smaller than 17? Yes, so it makes sense. That's what I tell my students on when they're subtracting or when they're solving basic equations. Just undo what they gave you. Thanks for joining me. Let's go on and look at another topic.